Hello everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to repair the Sony WH-CH500 headphone swivel. Let's start by removing the foam pads, and for that we only need to pull them out. The fabric is a bit stretchy, so it won't rip that easily. After taking off the pad, you'll see 4 screws that need to be removed. Be careful so you don't put tension on the speaker cables. You'll see another grey cover underneath that you'll need to remove as well. The next step is to unsolder the 6 cables that go to the other side of the headphones. If you don't have a soldering iron or don't know how to solder, there is in the description a link to a video on how to connect enameled wires without soldering, but I would highly recommend using the soldering method. Before soldering the wires, make sure you write down which wire goes where. Usually I take a picture of how the wires are connected and refer to that when I need to solder them back. The markings on the PCB don't help much. With the wires desoldered, push the cable so it comes out from behind the plastic pole. We can now remove the hinge, and for that push on one of the sides until the hinge comes out of the speaker cover, and then you can easily push the other side out. Let's remove the wire from the hinge and move on to the inside of the headband. There are 2 screws holding the headband cover. Let's remove both of them. With the use of a small spatula or something thin, pry open the cover starting from the top. The white stopper is loose, so be careful and put it aside as soon as you open the cover. Inside you'll find the broken part of your swivel. Pull the cable all the way out until the swivel comes off the cable. Don't forget to remove the washer, since we'll need it later on to secure the replacement swivel. And we are ready for the second part of this repair, where we install the replacement part. You can find the link in the description for where you can purchase this part. The swivel's cable orifice is quite small, so in order to pass the wires, first twist them together and then they'll be able to pass all at once. Push the cable until the previous bend on the cable is next to the swivel. Insert the replacement swivel in the headband opening and don't forget to put the washer back. You can now insert the cable inside the hinge slot. Put the white stopper back in place, and we can close the headband cover. Pass the cable through the slot on the speaker cover and insert the side of the hinge in. Bend the other side just enough so it can go in the cover slot. Pass the wires behind the plastic pole and we can start soldering back the wires. Align the grey cover with the black cover screw holes and put both back in place. Make sure the arrow on the black cover is pointing up. Put the screws in and all is left to do is to install the foam pad. Find a slot on the side of the cover and insert the pad flap in. Rotate the foam pad until the flap is all inside the slot. We have finished the repair and you should now be able to use the headphones as normal. If you need to purchase this replacement part, you can visit the link in the description. Feel free to like, subscribe and leave a comment with any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching another Forbidden 3D Prints video and I'll see you in the next one.